What is up, my bro? So you are probably thinking that this is your player. Okay? This is not your player, okay, man? I am sorry to tell you that, but this right here is your character, okay? And if you want to know what your player is, you go into game.players, and then automatically your player's object will be inside of here. So my username is Gabriel405, and this is my players. And as you see here, you have a player GUI. You're probably wondering what player GUI is. It's basically starter GUI, but it's cloned inside of each player, so everyone has their own screen. So I have bubble chat, free cam, and over here you can see player scripts. I have the same thing, bubble chat, but I also have this player module that has my camera and my controls, okay? So when you think of player scripts, you can basically access this over here in starter player scripts, okay? But it's a bit confusing because there's this other folder that's popping up. But here, let me stop the game really quick. Okay, so in starter player, you will have starter player scripts and starter character scripts, okay? So that model inside of workspace was actually my character, okay? The thing that I spawned in as, that is called my character. But the starter player scripts was pretty much that camera module, and it had like that moving script and all that. So if you can pretty much clone that in here. We could have cloned that, but if you really wanted to make your own like camera script, you can like call this camera script, and it has to be called camera script because it tells Roblox. But yeah, you could even do movement script as well. Like these are the names that Roblox wants, right? Movement script. I think these are the names that are chosen, but you can make your default movement or camera scripts, or use the one supplied by Roblox by putting it in starter player scripts, because that's going to go inside of the player, right? Your player inside of game.players. So I hope that's not confusing. So let's just wrap this up for one more second. Okay, so here, so I'm gonna spawn in as my character. Okay. Oh, and I accidentally rewritten the characters. Yeah, so you see that the player module disappeared. That was the one, because I renamed the script camera script and control script, so now my camera's kind of messed up. But let me go on server side. Okay, so server side, my camera works. And one more thing I have to say, when you make a leader stats, okay, let's say we have a folder, okay, and usually when you make a leader stats, you would make a script inside of server script service, right? And it will just have a game.players added, and then over there you would make a new folder and you would call it leader stats, make number values and all that. And basically where it's going to be going is inside of your player, because you're doing leader stats dot parent equals player. So what that means is that you're placing it inside of your player, and that's where the leader stats folder is going to be created. Okay, so every time a player joins in the game, each player is going to be getting a leader stats, okay? So when you're wondering where's your leader stats going, it's because it's going inside of the player parameter, if you know what leader stats are. But if you don't know what leader stats are, then you'll definitely find out very soon. And that is pretty much it, guys. So this is your character model, okay? This is not your player. But you would spawn in with a default health and animate script, so if you don't want to have health, then you would have to just delete this. But actually the proper way would do that is to rewrite it. But yeah, if you want to rewrite the health script so you don't receive it, just call this one health inside of starter character scripts, because that is going to be placed inside of your character. That's why it's called starter character scripts. And then automatically you will not have a health. You will be given the empty health because you have nothing in here. So this would rewrite the health script that was given from Roblox, and you could just, you know, do other stuff in here like ragdoll or any of that. And if you haven't seen my ragdoll video, I've made a video on that, so if you guys want to know how to ragdoll, definitely check out my video. And that is pretty much it, guys. That's the difference. This is your player, this is your character. You get your leader stats folder, it will be placed inside of your player, and that is pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.